Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this LAZYLAND 21V brushless impact driver. So this is provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So let's get this open. Here we have an instruction manual. Let's take a quick look at it. Now I may not cover everything in here. You want to read through it on your own. So we have some notes to start, more notes. It says to start tool, simply pull the switch trigger. Tool speed is increased by increasing pressure on the switch. So it has a variable switch. Release to stop. It says the tool automatically stops if you pull the switch trigger for about 6 minutes. So if this was in a toolbox and it got pressed, it will shut off after 6 minutes. It says lighting up the front lamp. It says pull the trigger switch to turn on the front lamp. To turn off, release the trigger switch. The lamp goes out after about 15 seconds. It says to turn on or off the lamp, press and hold the red button for 2 seconds. So this has a reversing switch. Now these instructions are for a 17 and a 21V model. This is the 21V model. So this has different modes on it, has different speed modes. I'm not sure what that mode is, we'll check it out. This talks about installing the bits. So you want to use a bit that is made for an impact driver. Here we have some specs. So we have the no load speeds here. The torque is 0 to 230 Newton meters, has 3000 milliamp hour battery, and it comes with 2 of those. Let's look at the battery. So here are the batteries. So a good sized battery there, 54 watt hours. Comes with some different bits and drivers. So we have 4 drill bits and a Phillips and a straight driver bit. Of course you can use your own. Comes with a charger. Charger is 21.5 volts at 1 amp. So that will slide in like so. So let's get these charging. So I'll plug that into power. Slide that in. The red light is lit up and it says when it's 100% it will turn green. And it's currently charging at about 26 watts. So I'll let that finish. Let's pull this out. Okay, so this has a rubberized coating on it. So it's hard plastic here, rubberized here. Has a little screw here that you can use to put the clip on. So that will screw on like so. That fits in the little slot here, and you can put the screw in if you want the clip. I'm not a big clip user. This is the reversing. So if it's forward or reverse, you can press the trigger in. If it's in the middle, it kind of locks it. So when I store my tool, I like to keep that in the middle position. That's like on pretty much every power tool. So let's slide this in. So I'm on forward, I press this in here. It's spinning. We have that LED light. So let me get a bit out here. So to place the bit in, we'll pull the collar out like so. We'll place the bit in, pull it out until it locks. So it's going to wiggle back and forth just a little bit, and that's locked in place. To remove it, I'll pull out on this and pull that out. So that's pretty straightforward. Let's look at the different modes here. Okay, so it has these 2 buttons here and they look like different modes. It looks like the left is the rotation mode. So if I press these while it's off, it's not going to do anything. I'll turn it on. So this is going to light up red, and I'll hit the button. So this is spinning. I'll go to the next mode, and that said timber. This says thin iron. Next one, that's thick iron, and the final one is, looks like soft stop. So that's going to turn a half rotation, pause, and turn another half rotation. Now just notice this is rubber on the outside here too. So I'll go back to timber. Now on the left side we have speed. So we're at slow speed. We'll press the mode button. We're on 1 still. Let's go to 2, 3, and 4. So we have a couple of different modes there. So I'm going to let this get charged up and then we'll go test it out. So we have the battery all charged up. It's dark. I wanted to demonstrate the light on here. It has a ring light. So I'll just tap the trigger and you can see this lights up quite a good area. This is a very good light on here and you can see it's around the chuck. So it stays on for a few seconds and then shuts off. But it's on while you're using it too. So if you're working inside a dark cabinet or something, you can tap that, get some light. You don't have to have a separate flashlight. So there's no compromises there. Okay, so I have this piece of oak here clamped in my vise. Let's try drilling a hole first. I'll install the bit. Now for drilling in wood, I'm going to want probably a higher speed. So I'll turn that up. I'll just do full speed here. Let's try that. Okay, that drilled nice. Now on that mode it did not hammer, so I'll go ahead and pull that out. Now let's try screwing in a screw. Now this is probably going to be tricky because I'm going to be using a split head screw into oak. Typically you want to pre-drill, but I want to do a little challenge here. So this is a T15 Torx bit. And I want to switch the mode here. Let's go to, I'll try the different modes. So I have this on low. Okay, so that drove that in almost all the way, and then it started hammering when it got difficult. So as I said before, typically you would pre-drill in oak. This is incredibly hard. This is a lot harder than a construction material like pine, spruce, or fir. Let's try taking it out. It's probably very hot. Let's go ahead and try that again. Went in nicely, and that's a pretty high quality screw there. I know like a cheap screw would probably just break the head off. So I'd say that has plenty of power to do something like even put a screw directly into oak. Here's a piece of pine trim board. Goes into that, no problem. So that's the LAZYLAND 21V Brushless impact driver. Now I think an impact driver like this can be a great complement to a drill. I like to have a drill bit and a drill, and then you can put your screwdriver bit in your impact driver so you can drill a hole and then drive screws. With the lithium battery and brushless, this is going to give you plenty of power. You can drive in screws like I drove in, like a cabinet screw. You could drive in construction screws, lag screws. This has a relatively short head on it. Let me get a measurement on that. So that's right around 5 inches. So you can get into some tighter spaces. Now obviously I have a really long extension on here, but you could put a shorter bit in there. Say screwing in cabinets or something, you could get this inside the cabinet to screw sideways. You could also use this in automotive work with nut drivers on here to take off nuts and bolts. And it's going to have that nice compact head to get into tighter spots. I really like that this comes with 2 3-amp hour batteries, so you can have lots of runtime, so you can have one running while you're charging the other and then swap them out, so you just have plenty of power to go through long days. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.